Today we are at Glorieta riding all of these amazing trails. We've got about a 5-mile loop planned, so it should be pretty fun.
Starting off, we're going to head up Carn Me Up, which is the climbing trail at Glorieta. It said that it was a two-way trail, so just be aware of people might be coming down towards you. We hit up Electric Avenue number 2, so that way we didn't have to go all the way out and then back around on Carn Me Up, and it's a little bit straighter. And then also Electric Avenue number 3. So that, for the same reasons, since Carn Me Up goes out and around, and Electric Avenue number 3 goes straight up. And then we are going to descend down Chips and Salsa, which is a flow trail. The view up at the top was pretty neat. You could see very far, and we were on this cool little ridge line, and then it's just a little bit more climbing to get up to the start of Chips and Salsa.
Starting that parking lot way over there. I don't know if you can even see it. Chips and Salsa. Where we're heading. We have made it to the top of Chips and Salsa, so now it is time to start descending.
Yes, right here I went over the bars. It was not a very hard crash, and I was able to land on my hands and get my feet around the bars, so that way I was not tangled up in my bike. From what I can tell, I came in kind of slow, not exactly knowing where the line was. It looked like it went to the right instead of going straight through this crevice thing, and then my tire wedged into the rock and then stopped me still, and I went over the bars. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe while you're down there. It helps the channel grow and get these videos out to more mountain bikers just like you.
Well, that was a great ride at Glorieta. We did about 5 miles and 900 feet up. It was a nice little loop with Chips and Salsa. Chips and Salsa was a really fun flow trail, and it was built perfectly right because you did not have to pedal unless you brake too much, obviously. I would definitely recommend, if you're in the Santa Fe area, to come check this place out. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Go and check out this video right here, and I'll see you over there. And in the meantime, you know what to do. Go find your epic.